Hi guys, my name is Samantha Feyen and I'm a photographer here in Honolulu. And while I've been here, I've also been dabbling in a lot of cooking, especially my mother's recipe. She's from Thailand and she does the best green curry. And she's taught me how to make it using leftover produce and poultry that you have sitting in your refrigerator, and you can put it all together and we're gonna make a really bomb, really delicious Thai green curry. Always gotta stay clean and tidy. So these are our ingredients today. These can be rotated out for anything you have in your fridge. Your main ingredients you need to make a successful green curry is definitely the coconut milk, the green curry paste, the Thai basil, the kefir lime leaf, which looks like this, of course, fish sauce. Optional, but definitely recommended. This brings the heat, this brings the flavor. Bamboo shoot, trust me. The most important thing to be cut a certain way is the eggplant. It needs to be cut long way so then it has more surface space. So you're gonna wanna put a good amount of vegetable oil in there or canola oil, whichever one you prefer. So depending on how spicy you want your curry to be is how much you will put the paste in. Love putting a little bit of the kefir lime in during this time so then it gets more aromatic. Let it cook for like 30 seconds and then add your favorite part, the chicken. So now that your chicken is cooked through and ready to go, we're adding our coconut milk. All right, so now your curry base is going to simmer for a bit and it's just gonna become one beautiful broth. Your soup has been simmering for about 5 to 10 minutes on low. We can now add our vegetables that might take a little bit longer to cook. Eggplant first. Cauliflower. I'm gonna add the broccoli a little bit later. I just want the pot to not be over full. It's looking really good right now. Really delicious. Now is a good time to add kefir lime. Just bruise that baby up and throw it in. While we let the soup simmer, I'm gonna take you on a little mini house tour and just see what it's all about. So this is my home that I share with my partner Anushka. She's currently at work right now, but when she's home, we always love to hang out right here. This corner is just really special because it's all the things we've collected together. Just really random things all collected together in a montage that makes my home. And this is my lanai, which I share with my neighbor Risa. Happy quarantine. This is a really good time to now add your fish sauce. I can't tell you how much should go in because my taste might be different than yours. So I just say put a little bit at a time and then you taste as you go. Addition I like to do is a little bit of granulated sugar, just a little bit for flavor, just to balance out the saltiness. And to add the Thai basil and mix it in. And this is when you turn off your heat and you just let this kind of simmer together in the residual heat. That's it, you're ready to serve. I like to eat mine with rice, but if you do not, you can eat this on its own. Voila. Now you get to enjoy your green curry while you're indoors quarantining. All right guys, that's it. Quick and easy, quarantine style, end of the week, green curry for you and your family. Enjoy.